Today we're starting Unit 4B with the 4B.1 vocabulary. And so we're going to be talking about activities and sports. Here we have Alejandro. He says, Me llamo Alejandro. A mí me gusta jugar al béisbol. A mis amigos y a mí nos gustan muchas actividades. So let's start with jugar al béisbol. This is jugar, to play. That's to play a game or a sport. And this al is the a plus l, because when we say in Spanish that we're going to play something, we say essentially we're going to play at something. And most sports are masculine, so a plus l equals al. So jugar al béisbol. Just like right down here we have jugar al tenis, to play tennis. And then we should kind of have an idea. This isn't on your note sheet, but actividades, the singular is la actividad, the activity. Here we have some more actividades. Nadar, you should gather from the picture, is to swim. Mirar, we've talked about quite a bit. Mirar specifically is to look at. And here, look at pictures, but you can use it to look at a lot of stuff. We know that ir a is to go to. What we want to really get out of here is un partido de fútbol is a soccer game. So a game or match, and what kind? Well, we use de to say what kind. De fútbol. And then cantar is to sing. Remember these verbs like nadar, to swim, to sing. Ir, we know, is to go, but ir de compras, I think we've talked about before, ir de compras is to go shopping. That's specifically to go shopping. And then when you shop, you might do this. You might comprar something. Comprar, to buy. Ropa is not rope. It's actually clothes or clothing. But they put it in parentheses because you could buy lots of stuff when you ir de compras. Bailar, to dance. Here we have patinar. Patinar is to skate. Specifically, he's skating sobre ruedas, which is roller skating. Ruedas are actually wheels, over wheels. Ver la televisión. We know ver is to see or to watch. Specifically, watch televisión. You can say ver la televisión, or you can just say ver televisión. Either one is acceptable. Here we have another kind of play. Tocar is to play, but this is to play an instrument or to play music. And obviously el piano is a piano, it's a cognate. Hacer, we've seen before, to do. We remember that the irregular yo form of hacer is hago. But las tareas, la tarea is homework. So if we're doing homework, hacer las tareas. And here we have several more activities. El basketball, el fútbol americano. What I want to point out with these, as well as el hockey, if we were going to see a basketball game, it would be un partido de basketball. Un partido de fútbol americano. Now, if we were going to play one of these, it would be jugar al basketball. Jugar al fútbol americano. Jugar al hockey. So these are all jugar. These are all tocar. tocar el clarinete, tocar la flauta, tocar la guitarra. El mensaje de texto. This is actually el mensaje is a message. What kind of message? De texto, a text message. La televisión, a television. What kind of television is it? De alta definición, high definition. And then jugar, See, we still use that but when we talk about bowling, we call bowling los bolos. And so plus los stays los, but we still use that to play at bowling. We will use all these things to talk about stuff that we like and don't like to do.